In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place an OCO order on Tradovate. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a linked pair of orders so your risk and profit targets manage themselves. We'll start inside the Super DOM module, which is the ladder-style trading panel where you can place orders by clicking directly on price levels. Go ahead and open the Super DOM in your workspace. This is the best place to visualize market depth and quickly enter orders because prices move vertically, and your order actions are aligned right next to the price ladder. At the top of the Super DOM, look for the ATM dropdown. ATM stands for Advanced Trade Management, and it controls how Tradovate handles linked orders and automation. The dropdown is usually near other trade controls at the top of the module. Finding this first ensures your orders behave exactly the way you intend. From that ATM dropdown, select OCO, one time. OCO means one cancels other. The one-time setting applies this linking behavior to the orders you're about to place, without changing your defaults permanently. With OCO enabled, Tradovate automatically keeps the two orders linked behind the scenes so that when one is filled, the other is immediately canceled. This is crucial for disciplined trade management, preventing accidental double fills or leaving a stray order in the market. Now place your two separate orders directly on the price ladder. Think of these as your protective stop loss and your take profit target. Click at the price where you want your stop loss to rest, and then click at the price where you want your take profit to rest. You're simply telling Tradovate, if price hits my stop, exit the trade there, but if price reaches my target first, take the profit and remove the stop. The ladder makes this very visual. Your orders will appear at the levels you chose,
rejected,
and they'll sit there waiting for price to reach them. Choose prices that reflect your plan. Typically, a stop loss at a logical invalidation level and a take profit at a realistic objective based on recent structure or volatility. From here, the power of OCO takes over. Once one of those orders is filled, the other is automatically canceled by the platform. You'll see the remaining order disappear as soon as the first one executes, leaving you cleanly out of the market or flat with no leftover orders. That's all there is to it. Open the Super DOM, set the ATM dropdown to OCO one time, place your stop loss and take profit on the ladder, and let OCO handle the rest. If you're new to this,
order filled,
consider practicing the workflow in a simulated environment until it feels effortless.